In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize headers in LibreOffice Writer. We'll be setting up your document to have a different header style on the first page compared to the rest, allowing for a more professional look. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you will want to open LibreOffice Writer on your computer. If you already have the software installed, you can do this by double-clicking on the LibreOffice icon that you commonly use to launch the application. When you arrive at the Start Center, you'll want to click on the option labeled Writer Document. This option will open up a new document specifically using LibreOffice Writer, where we will apply our formatting. Now that you're inside LibreOffice Writer, let's move on to setting up the page styles. At the top of your screen, locate the menu labeled Format. Click on it, and from the drop-down select Page Style. This action will prompt a dialog box to appear. Within this new window, you need to navigate to the Header tab located across the top. Here, you'll see an option that says Header On with a checkbox next to it. Make sure this checkbox is selected to enable headers in your document. Once this is done, click OK to save this change. You should now see a designated header area at the top of your page. Next, we'll apply a unique style for your first page. Move your cursor to rest anywhere on the first page of your document. Next, navigate back to the Format menu. Hover over it until you see an option that reads Styles followed by Manage Styles. Alternatively, a quicker way to access this menu is by simply pressing F11 on your keyboard. Once the Manage Styles panel is open, you'll want to find the list that says Page Styles. Within this list, double-click on the style named First Page. This action will apply the first page style to just the first page of your document, leaving the rest of your pages unaffected for now. With the first page style now in place, let's add content to your header. Click inside the header area that is now at the top of your first page. Here is where you can type whatever text you need, such as a title, logo, or any relevant document information you need prominently displayed. The final touch involves setting a different header style for the pages following the first. To achieve this, place your cursor right at the end of your first page. We need to insert a page break here. Go to the Insert menu, select More Breaks, and click on Manual Break. A dialog box will appear, and from here you can choose Default Page Style or a different style of your preference from the list of available options. Click OK to insert the page break and apply this style change. With these steps, you now have a document that boasts a professional appearance with a customized header on the first page and a different style for the subsequent pages. This format can be particularly useful for various documents like reports, letters, or any professional writings where a polished look is essential. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.